Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get new Inferno Mutation in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Summer Camp Update Part 3. Okay, let's get into it guys. There is a new riddle from this Campfire Keeper, and here you need to place Inferno Shard. You need to place a total of 4 Inferno Shards, and to unlock the Inferno Shard, you need to complete the bear quest. Go to the bear, and you need to submit a requested fruit right here. Once you submit 50 requested fruits or plants, you will get 1 Inferno Shard, and I still need 19 plants. Okay, once you get it, you can go back to the riddle place here. You need 4 Inferno Shards. Okay, and you can do riddle after the fire reach tier 1, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, and you can choose your pad that you want to mutate and just do the riddle here, and then you will get the new Inferno Mutation. But I haven't tried it yet. I still wait for the Inferno Shards for this ritual. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the new Inferno Mutation in Grow a Garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!